Hey guys, today we're installing Frankie's Performance Garage Twin Fuel Pump. This is the kit. It's in my other video. Showed the kit. Everything comes with the kit. So basically, you just have to buy twin fuel pump, and I bought two of these, and we're going to install this one in there. It's going to go in the tank like that, and then the new hat that that's applied is going to go on top. So I have already taken my old fuel pump out from there, and it was a single fuel pump. It's like here, it's pretty much like only 2 months old, and we're going to put these new ones in. I have already installed my fuel pump into the hanger and the hoses. There's no connecting of wires, soldering or anything like that. It's all plug system, so you can just plug it in, and we're going to install this one in there. This one will be a bit of, you have to take this part off and then install separate the U in there, and then all these two hangers separately in there.